In this quick guide, you'll learn how to change the default list on Amazon. Whether you're organizing a wish list for an upcoming birthday or setting up a shopping list for a new project, managing your lists on Amazon can save you time and keep you organized. Let's dive right in and see how you can easily switch your default list to another one. First, you'll want to hover over the Account and Lists menu at the top right corner of the Amazon homepage. This is your go-to spot for accessing all your lists, orders, and account settings. As you hover, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the Your Lists column. Here, you'll see a selection of your lists, and you can click on the one you want to designate as your new default. This step is crucial because selecting the appropriate list is the first move in organizing your Amazon wish list effectively. Once you've selected your desired list, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. You'll notice three horizontal dots, often referred to as an ellipsis, or you might see a More link. Clicking on these will give you further options to manage your list settings. This is where you can start making changes to how your list is set up. After clicking the ellipsis or More link, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to choose Manage List. Selecting this option brings up a pop-up window that contains various settings for the list you've selected. This is where you have the flexibility to tweak your list settings according to your needs. In this pop-up window, take a moment to scroll down until you find the checkbox labeled Default List. This checkbox determines which list is set as your default whenever you add items directly from product pages. If you're someone who frequently adds items to a specific list, setting it as your default can streamline your shopping experience. Once you've located the default list checkbox, go ahead and check it. This action tells Amazon that this list is now the one you prefer to add items to by default. After checking the box, ensure you click Save Changes at the bottom of the pop-up window. This step finalizes your selection and the default list setting is now updated. And there you have it. The default list tag will seamlessly move from your old list to this newly chosen one. By following these steps, you can easily manage which list you want to prioritize, helping you keep your Amazon account neat and organized. I hope this quick tutorial has helped you understand how to change your default list on Amazon. With just a few clicks, you can keep your list organized and tailored to your current needs. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore other ways to optimize your Amazon experience. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.